ball. Daga, Justin. Daga, ipasa kay Zen. 1 point. Rebound, Ian. Nice one. Nice one, Kai. Nice one. 2 points. 7 minutes and 17 seconds. 6 minutes. Score. Races 3 points. PBB 10. For 3. 3 in favor of Team PBB. Nice pass. Count the basket and the foul. Nice. Itira 3. Wala. Nice one. Remaining is 1 minute and 30 seconds. And one by Kuya Nihai. And one. Left. Bad. 36-30. Ito yapon natin PBB. Hirap sa mid. Good. Mr. Nakabula. Good. 2 points by Mr. Last 1 minute. Tagal sa player. Over our team PBB. Huli by Mr. Al. Mr. Al nagmamadali. Hamas by Mr. Al. 2 points by Mr. Al. Al, nilamon. Siyempre, what happens? Napahawa ka ba sa kamay, Mr. Zeng? Actually, ang ito, Mr. Billy? 2 points. Number 8 nagmamadali. Pass to Mr. Justin. Wow! Easy 2 points by Mr. Kapasahan. Pass to Mr. Lebanades. Nakita Kapasahan. Tumarok. Wow! Easy 2 by Mr. Numbers. Pumira Andres. 3 points. Ay, 2 points na day. 2 points na day, guys. Sorry. No good. Rebound by Mr. Number 28. 10 seconds to play na lang. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Pass to Mr. Number 11. Mr. Zeng, kamera. 10 seconds and lock. Wow, easy 2 by Mr. Zeng. 3 points. Time out. Mr. Itig. Pass break by Mr. Al. Easy 2 points by Al. Mr. Al, tumarok. No good. Sa kanya ba rin? Easy 2 points by Mr. Al. Mr. Al. Mr. Al, lumira ng press. No good, sayang. Mr. Al, grabe kayo Mr. Al. Tatlo laban sa isa. So Mr. Idig Jr., easy 2 points. Idig Jr. Idig Jr. Pass to Mr. Al. Mr. Al to number 27 to number 13. Fountain foul. Sumabay ka pa, kaibigan. To Mr. Suwan. Mr. Suwan, sabi na ball. Pass to Mr. Ludnas. No good. Rebound by Mr. Okay. Mr. number 27. To Al. To Al. Pagmamadali. Wow, matanay. Side step. No good. Wow! Grabe ka! Time! Time! No good. Rebound by Mr. Ludnas. 4 points by Mr. Mr. Al, lumira ng 3. No good. Sa kanya pa rin. Babalik yan. Easy 2 points. Time out! Number 11. Tumira ng 3. Ilista mo na yan. Haras by Mr. Zeng. To number 2. Mr. Ducky. Tumira ng 3. Ilista mo na yan. Seconds to play na lang.